The Seawolf pups are a real handful now. Keeping up with them is exhausting. It's been days since Cedar's eaten anything. Dagger finally returns from a hunt, but without food. Both mothers are hungry. Jasper needs a big win for his family. A gray whale carcass that's been floating out at sea for weeks. It's rotting and it stinks, but hungry wolves will eat almost anything. And it is nutritious. Whale blubber has more calories than butter. This could set them up for the rest of us. And they haven't forgotten their pack mates at the den. An older female takes on delivery duty.